Good morning, students. Today we are going to start part 3 of Panchayati Raj. In the previous videos, we discussed about Gram Sabha and the introduction of Panchayati Raj in India. In this video, we'll discuss about two topics. One, Gram Panchayat and the constitutional provisions of Gram Panchayat. It is not in your syllabus, but for your knowledge is very important. We have to know that the constitutional provision of Gram Panchayat and its special features. So first of all, Gram Panchayat. What is Gram Panchayat? As we have discussed, it is the part of local self-government, Gram Panchayat. It is elected by Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha consists of the people of more than or 18 years of age. All the adults in the village, they elect Gram Panchayat. The composition of Gram Panchayat, if we talk, then for example, this is the village, right? In this village is divided into small areas. So these small areas are called wards. Clear? From each ward, one representative is elected by the people, that is called Panch. Right? So these are Panches. And from entire village, the president of Gram Panchayat, also known as Sarpanch is elected. So Gram Panchayat consists of one Sarpanch and some Panches. For example, in this village, this is the village. In this village, how many Sarpanches are there? One Sarpanch, and Panches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because there are 5 wards, so 5 Panches. So this Gram Panchayat consists of 6 members. Clear? One Panchayat secretary is there, but he is not elected by the people of Gram Sabha, not elected by the villagers. He is the representative of government. He is appointed by the government, and he takes care all the functions of Gram Panchayat. He is responsible, and Gram Panchayat is accountable to the Gram Sabha as well as Panchayat secretary, because he keeps all kinds of records of Gram Panchayat's functioning. Clear? So Gram Panchayat is very important because it is the local government of the villages. It is known as local self-government, rural local government, also known as rural local government. What are the functions of Gram Panchayat? Gram Panchayat collects the taxes from the people, house tax and tax on land, right? Property tax, etc. Gram Panchayat takes care about the resources, community resources. It makes school buildings, maintenance of roads, streets and street lights, water resources, clear, and other problems of the local people. So it is known as local government. For the decentralization of the powers, local government or panchayats are very important in India, because India is a federal country and the powers are divided among the different levels of the government. So these are the functions of Gram Panchayat. This is the composition of Gram Panchayat. Now we'll discuss about the constitutional provision of Gram Panchayat. Constitutional provisions. Before 1992, Gram Panchayats were not having the constitutional provisions. These were started by the state governments but not having the constitutional provisions. In 1992, 73rd amendment in the constitution, 73rd amendment was passed, right? Amendment was passed in the constitution by the Indian Parliament in 1992. And according to this amendment in the constitution, this is also known as Local Self-Government Act, right, of India. In the Indian constitution, 73rd amendment, it was for rural local self-government or local government act, right? According to this act, in the constitution, 11th schedule, which schedule? 11th schedule. You know that at that time when Indian constitution was formed, there were 8 schedules. How many schedules? 8 schedules. In 1951, 9th schedule was added. In 1985, it was anti-defection law. This was 10th schedule. and according to 73rd amendment in 1992, 11th schedule was added, and in this schedule rural local self government was explained, and the constitutional provision was given. Article 243 to 243O, right, from article 243 to article 243O, right. The provision of gram panchayats have been explained in these articles. Gram panchayats means rural local government. It has 3-tier governments, and 1/3 seats reserved for women. 1/3 seats were reserved for women according to this amendment act, and some powers were given to the local governments, approximately from the state list. The subjects were taken from the state list given to the gram panchayats, and total 29 subjects. Total 29 subjects means 29 fields were provided to gram panchayat to work. Now, under the jurisdiction of gram panchayat, total subjects were 29. So this was called Rural Local Self Government Act, or 73rd Amendment Act of Indian Constitution, and this is for rural government or gram panchayats. So these were changes according to 1992 73rd Amendment. Now we are talking about 74th Amendment. According to 74th Amendment, urban local government, right, was provided with the constitutional provisions in Indian Constitution, Article 243P to Article 243 ZG, right. So in these articles, urban local self-government was explained according to the constitutional amendment, 74th Amendment in 1992. In 1992, and in the Constitution, 12th schedule was added in the Indian Constitution, and to the urban government, total 18 subjects were added in this schedule. Total 18 subjects were added in this schedule, and providing the powers on these subjects with the urban local government. So in this way we have discussed about 12th schedule, 11th schedule. This was Rural Local Government Act and Urban Local Government Act, 73rd Amendment Act, 74th Amendment. Although these both of the amendment acts were passed in 1992 but implemented in 1993. So according to these acts, gram panchayats or Panchayati Raj got the constitutional status, right? Constitutionally provisioned in the constitution in article 243. Getting my point? So I hope that you understood the gram panchayat and its composition and constitutional provisions of gram panchayats. So revise this chapter and